everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about reversing a number. Let's start with the easiest method. For this approach, you have to convert number into string using str method, pass number, and now you can apply slicing on it. So you just have to do colon colon -1. That's it. And then print this string. Right, let me just run. You can see 7654321. Let's discuss about another method. If your interviewer asks you to reverse the number itself instead of converting it to the string, you can follow this solution. Let's create a function, reverse number, then pass n. For that, let's create a result quickly, which will be 0 initially, and we'll have while that number is not equals to 0. We'll keep reversing the number until we have the number which is equals to 0, and we'll get digit out of it. For that you can do n mod 10. So you'll get the very last digit out of it, and you'll update the result by doing result into multiplying with the 10 and plus adding digit. That's all. And for the number, you need to update that number. So you can update n by using floor division 10. So in this way, you'll update n for every iteration. At the end, you'll just simply return result. And let me okay. So let's create a result variable here and call our reverse number method. Pass the number that we have and then print the result. Print result. Okay. Print result. Let me clear this one. Run the script. You can see 7654321. So now you have written the integer itself instead of returning the string, because in our previous method it was returning as a string. Now it is returning as a number itself. If you check the type of this, you will get integer. So let me check type of this result and run this. You can see class int, right? And if you check type of this, you will get string. Type of this one, run class string, class int. And that's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.